Hello. So we want you to be very successful in the electrical and computer engineering technology program. So to help you along, we have quite a few resources available for you. One of the resources available is tutoring specifically for engineering technology. So if you go to our tutoring tab and click on it, you will see that we have tutoring at North Metro campus in room 222B, which is right beside the main lab. You'll see the hours that tutoring is available, and you'll see the tutors there, right? Mostly Juan, Charlotte one day. And then also we have tutoring at the Marietta campus in room 164. It's the lecture room at Marietta. Once again, the days of the week that it's offered and the hours and the tutors, okay? Now, you are required in this course to go to tutoring at least one day a week. When you go to tutoring, the lab assistant has certain topics that you will go over. So here is the tutorial lab folder. All right, you will go there. So for week 1 of tutoring, you would do the following: flowcharts and pseudocode. And so basically the lab assistant or the tutor is going to go over flowcharts and pseudocode with you because they are crucial in this course. You really have to get proficient at thinking through the algorithm or the steps required to write a program to complete a specific task. So what you'll do is you'll go in, the lab assistant will ask you certain questions, these questions to be exact. If you don't know them, the lab assistant will help you with the concepts. If you know it, you'll just tell the lab assistant the answer. Once the lab assistant assesses that you understand the material, you don't have to stay any longer. You can go. These tutorial lab assignments or topics will be graded by the lab assistant, so you will have an assignment box that you will submit, and the lab assistant will just assess whether or not you were able to complete the assignment, all of the ones that were on the sheet, if you were only able to complete some, or if you didn't show up for tutorial lab. Make sure you sign in, because I'll be looking at the roster on a weekly basis, and that's how you'll get your grades for a tutorial lab, and it's 10% of your grade. All right, thank you. Have a great day.